They say something and they go finger crossed and they keep their finger like this, right? Finger crossed. What does it mean, this finger crossed? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to another episode of Simplify English by Azim Bhai. So today we'll be talking about some more phrases. See, often you'll hear this, the native speakers, when they're talking about something, they use this phrase, didn't catch it. So they would say, let's say you were saying something to them, and all of a sudden they would say, sorry, I didn't catch it, or sorry, I didn't get it. So if you literally explain this, sorry, I did not catch it, meaning you couldn't catch whatever he threw, right? আমরা যখন ক্রিকেট খেলি আমরা বলকে ক্যাচ করি, somebody throws the ball and then you catch it, so that's catching. But when you say I didn't catch it, that means what? You are trying to catch those words, so you cannot take literal meaning here. Basically the phrase here means, sorry, I did not understand. Sorry, I didn't catch it. Sorry, I did not catch it. If you say it faster, just like native, you would say, sorry, I didn't catch it. Can you repeat, please? And that's a very common phrase among Native Americans. Or they would say, sorry, I didn't get it. Sorry, I did not get it. That means I didn't quite understand what you just said. Can you please repeat? আমি ঠিক বুঝতে পারিনি আপনি কি বললেন, আপনি কি দয়া করে আবার এক্সপ্লেইন করবেন? So that's sorry, I didn't catch it. Then sometimes they would say, did I get that right? Did I get that right? So you told them something and they heard what you said, and they would come and explain what they understood, and they would say, did I get that right? Meaning making sure whatever he understood, is that what you mean, right? আপনি যেটা বলেছেন সেটা সে বুঝতে চাচ্ছে যে ওটাই কেউ বুঝে পেয়েছে কিনা. Did I get you right? Did I get that right? And এখানে get you না বলে তাড়াতাড়ি যখন বলে, ওরা মাল্টিপল ওয়ার্ডকে যখন একসাথে মিক্স করে তখন ওরা অফটেন বলে থাকে, did I get you right? Okay, I got you. হ্যাঁ, আমি তোমাকে বুঝতে পেরেছি. I got you is another phrase. They use it very, very often here. I got it. I got you. অনেক সময় got you means হ্যাঁ, তুমি যেটা বলেছো আমি বুঝে ফেলছি, বরাবর যেটা বলেছো সেটা আমি বুঝে ফেলেছি. আর হচ্ছে I got you, মনে করেন আপনি হাইড অ্যান্ড সিক খেলতেছেন, হঠাৎ করে যে লুকিয়ে আছে তাকে আপনি পেয়ে গেছেন, hey, I got you. So that's another phrase there. And then another one is, let's say you are saying something and all of a sudden they are saying, sorry, I didn't catch the last word. Here it doesn't mean he's like counting your words, whatever you are saying, and he did not exactly get the last thing that you said. It doesn't mean that. It means he partially, whatever you're saying, he kind of understood, but the last part or some part he did not understand. So he would say, sorry, I didn't catch the last word. Can you please repeat? So again, I didn't catch the last word. That means ও কিছুটা আপনি যেটা বলেছেন সেটাও বুঝেছে, কিন্তু পুরোপুরি সে বুঝেনি. সো ইন এ ওয়ে ও আপনাকে বলছে, ক্যান ইউ প্লিজ রিপিট অ্যাগেইন? সো সরি, আই ডিডন্ট ক্যাচ দ্য লাস্ট ওয়ার্ড, ক্যান ইউ প্লিজ রিপিট? অ্যান্ড দেন মনে করুন আপনি ভার্চুয়াল মিটিং করছেন, বা যে কোনো মিটিংয়ে হতে পারে, যার সাথে আপনি কথা বলছেন, 3-4 জন একসাথে বসে কথা হচ্ছে, স্পেশালি কনফারেন্স যেভাবে হয়, আপনি কথা বলছেন, হঠাৎ করে একজনের নাম বলা হলো, লেটস সে আহমেদ. So what is your opinion? মানে একটা জিনিস নিয়ে ডিসকাশন হচ্ছে, all of the sudden Ahmed was called. Ahmed, what is your opinion? Ahmed, তোমার opinion কি? কিন্তু Ahmed at the same time, maybe he was responding to an important email or something, so his attention was not 100% in this meeting. He did not get it. So then what would Ahmed say? So at that time Ahmed can say, sorry, I wasn't listening, can you please repeat? Sorry, I wasn't listening. So it's not taken often a negative way. So he's just being honest that he wasn't paying 100% attention to this topic. So at that time, whenever you say that, the other person, whoever is asking question, he would say, okay, so let me just repeat, this is what we're talking about, so what is your opinion, right? So again, একটা মিটিং এ সবাই বসে আছেন, হঠাৎ করে একজনের নাম ডাকা হলো, আহমেদ, এটাতে তোমার ওপিনিয়ন কি? বাট আহমেদ বিজি ছিল অন্য কিছু নিয়ে, মেবি অন্য কিছু ইম্পর্টেন্ট নিয়ে বিজি ছিল. It happens all the time. If you are in a meeting with other people, you might be taking care of something more important than whatever being discussed in that meeting. So you are paying attention somewhere else, and all of a sudden your opinion was asked and you were not 100% sure about the matter. So at that time আপনি তখন বলবেন যে sorry, I wasn't listening, can you please repeat? সো অন্য যে আছেন বুঝে যাবেন যে আপনি একটা বিজি ছিলেন অন্য কিছু নিয়ে, আপনার অ্যাটেনশন পুরোপুরি এখানে ছিল না. সো অফটেন ওরা আবার রিপিট করবে সেম টপিকটা ব্রিফলি অ্যান্ড দেন উইল আস্ক ইউ ফর ইউর ওপিনিয়ন. সো দ্যাটস ভেরি কমন ডিউরিং দ্য মিটিংস. ডোন্ট টেক ইট টু হার্ট. Don't take it to heart, please. So this phrase is used often. Let me give an example. So let's say you said something to someone and that person is taking it very seriously. He became very emotional. But this is something that you are thinking that it's not that important. He shouldn't take it so seriously, right? Let's say you have an employee and you are just telling him, listen, this thing you have done with this customer, you shouldn't have taken care of this way. You should have handled it in a different way. And you just kind of tell him what to do next time. And he's taking it very seriously and he's hurt and he's thinking, oh my Allah, I have just made a big mistake and I shouldn't have done that, and he's being very hurt emotionally. But then you are thinking he shouldn't take it that seriously. It's just a normal thing. You were just being a supervisor or manager or being the owner of the business. You were just guiding him so he doesn't do the same mistake next time. So it's not that serious, but he is taking it seriously. So you are just explaining to him, listen, don't take it to heart. আপনি আপনার দিলের মধ্যে নিয়ে নেবেন না, এমন তো কিছু আমি আপনাকে বলিনি যেটা আপনি একেবারে দিলের মধ্যে নিয়ে এত কষ্ট পাচ্ছেন. It's not that important, right? Don't take it to heart. So that's another phrase they use it often. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. মনে করুন, let's say you're drinking coffee with somebody else and all of a sudden the other person dropped the coffee and then the coffee is now all over your clothing, and that's old clothing, you're about to wash that anyway, but the other person goes like, Ya Allah, I just made a big mess, what to do now? So he's feeling bad. Then you're saying, no, don't worry, it doesn't matter, that's okay, you made a mistake, that's okay, it's not a big problem, I'm gonna wash this cloth anyway today, so it doesn't matter, just leave it. Or maybe you have instructed somebody to do something and he's asking, and that's not that important task, and he's asking you how should it be done, he's asking you detailed instruction. So you're just telling him, you know what, it doesn't matter, just do it, just get it done, it's okay, it doesn't matter, it's not that important. Or sometimes you say it doesn't matter in an upsetting way as well. Like same scenario, you have asked somebody to do something and you have explained many times and he's keep on asking you, how should I get it done, can you give me a special step-by-step instruction? And you are just so upset. You have explained to him many times and he's keep on asking. You just don't care. You're saying it doesn't matter. In your mind you are thinking, I have explained to you many times and you are not getting it, so it doesn't matter, just do it, man, I don't even care. সো অ্যাগেন ইট ডাজন্ট ম্যাটার, আপনি যখন কোনো কিছু সম্বন্ধে কেয়ার করেন না তখনও আপনি বলতে পারেন আপসেটিং ওয়ে, আমি তোমাকে অনেকবার এক্সপ্লেন করলাম এটা কীভাবে করতে হবে, তারপরেও তুমি এখনও করছো না, অথবা বারবার আমাকে জিজ্ঞেস করছো কীভাবে করতে হবে। সো ইট ডাজন্ট ম্যাটার, জাস্ট ডু ইট, রাইট? আমি ক্যারি করি না, তুমি যেভাবে ইচ্ছা করো, রাইট? অথবা আপনি কাউকে কিছু বলছেন, কোনো ভালো কিছু বলছেন, বাট ও অ্যাটেনশনই দিচ্ছে না, he doesn't care it. So it seemed like he doesn't care. So at that time you can say, you know what, I have tried enough, it doesn't matter, just let him go, it doesn't matter. And then another thing I often hear among the Native Americans, they say something and they go finger crossed and they keep their finger like this, right? Finger crossed. What does it mean, this finger crossed? So this means, let's say, I'm hoping something good for you, right? I'm saying, you know, you have this IELTS exam and I have my finger crossed, you will have a good score, right? You have a good score in TOEFL. I keep my finger crossed. So whenever they say something like this, usually you'll see their finger go like this, and that means they're wishing you a good luck. So I'm keeping my finger crossed, you will be very good in speaking English, you will become very fluent in no time. So I'm keeping my finger crossed for you. So that's all for today. I hope you are enjoying our sessions and you are learning something that is going to give you lots of value down the road. So English is very important. You should listen to these videos again and again and practice. And if you have any question, if you have any topic in your mind that you would like us to cover, please mention in the comment section, and I'll try my best to reply to your comments if you have any question. And if you have any suggestion, please feel free to send it to us in the comment section again. We'll see what we can do about them. So that's all for today. Until next time, thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.